Hey everyone, I'm Leanne if you don't know me, and if you do and you're back, thank you so much. I'm happy to have you back. If you don't watch the vlogs, you might not know who this is. It's my husband, Grant Aroni.
Hi everybody.
The mayor of Fort Worth, the captain, what else?
Colonel
Thaddeus Thibodeau. Sometimes I lose track of all the men I'm married to. Anyway, today we are here for a nice lighthearted video. The husband does my makeup, I don't know, challenge. Clearly, we're very excited to take on this challenge. This was like a big video a few years ago. I don't think Grant has ever watched like a husband does my makeup video, right? No. I don't think Grant's ever watched like a makeup video, except for maybe the one that you did the voiceover for. You watched that one? Did you watch it?
I watched that one.
We did that one, but we've never done this one. I felt like this is kind of a video that it kind of like passed me by, which I was kind of okay with. But a lot of you guys requested it, and don't stop requesting it. So here we are. Grant didn't have to go to work today. I'm very, very thankful for that. We're both here, and we decided to go ahead and let him do my makeup. And to slightly mix it up, I decided to tell him to find a makeup look online, on the internet, that he wanted to recreate. And he hasn't shown it to me, but when I asked him, did you find your look? He was like, yeah, my movie makeup. I was like, movie makeup? Did I say movie makeup? And he was like, no, what is movie makeup? So I don't know what it is, but you're gonna know.
So this is why you want to stick around for the whole thing.
Okay, I'm not looking.
So this is the look we're going for. I'm extremely 11 out of 10 confident that I can get a 100% dupe.
I asked him, okay, what do you need? Rather than just like letting him go through the drawers because there's just a lot in there. And the only thing he requested was blue and green eyeshadow. And I was like, so that's the only makeup you're seeing in this picture? And he's like, yeah, maybe like some lipstick, just some lipstick.
Shellac.
So I just got a bunch of different colors, like a variety of things.
Yeah, there's like, I don't know, this thing.
I pulled out a lot of different products that I use usually, and a bunch of varieties of colors of different things. Just, I don't know, we're just gonna see what happens because I don't really know exactly what look he wants to do. Okay.
So here's how I wanna do this, because I'm taking over this video. You're gonna be in complete silence. Oh. We're gonna chat. Chatty, get ready with me. Chatty, get classic Hollywood with me.
Oh, classic Hollywood. I think that's but blue and green. Okay, go ahead.
And we're just gonna explore the space. There's a bunch of tubes and nostrums and I don't know, junk here. We're just gonna rub it on Leanne's face. Do
I need to put my bangs back or anything?
Yeah, I would put a shower cap on.
Okay, well maybe just put it behind my ears.
That's good. We're gonna take this mirror away here in a second.
He's trying to take my mirrors away.
My mirrors.
My mirrors.
All right, let's just get started. Okay. I'm ready to hop in. I'm assuming that foundation goes first because the foundation is the base. That means base layer. I don't know which one of these is that's concealer. You don't have anything that needs to be concealed. 24-hour fresh wear. Oh, does this need to go on like a brush or does it go on this thing?
Oh, yeah.
No?
We're not supposed to give tips, right?
Okay.
I think that's how this video is supposed to go.
So you gotta tell me what the latest gossip is.
Immediately goes into salon mode.
Yeah, what are you doing? What's your Tinder profile like these days?
It's inactive.
It's inactive.
Don't worry.
Scandalous.
I feel like you're using a lot.
Well, sweetie.
Do I need a lot?
You don't need a lot, but I just like to have a nice thick coating on there. Does it burn? No. It's supposed to burn a little bit.
I've never thought this foundation was scented before, but now that you're using a pump for every inch of my face, I think it might be scented.
This is easy. It's gonna be done in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna be like, why is this always taking so long? When I can do an expert job in literally seconds.
Literally seconds. You're going slow. Is it matching my neck skin?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Close enough. We got moves to make, girl. Don't worry about no neck skin. All right, I think that's enough.
I want to look in a mirror so bad right now.
So now we gotta contour those cheeks, right?
Oh, next is contour?
I don't know, what's next? Do we have to like seal it? Fenty Beauty Sunstalker. Is Fenty is that Rihanna's thing? Isn't this what you do? I thought this was like when you go out, you're like, oh, I gotta go powder my nose. Isn't this the powder you're talking about?
No.
No? But what if like in doing this, I actually create like a like revolutionary like makeup technique.
This is how Grant thinks.
You're like, oh my god, like we've been doing it wrong for thousands of years.
This is how my husband thinks.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it however I think, and then probably it's gonna start a revolution.
We're going for that Baby Jane look first, so we really gotta get a thick base coat on there.
Ever since I made Grant watch Whatever Happened to Baby Jane in the theater, he has never recovered. He brings up Baby Jane at least once a week.
I just wish that movie was in color, because you really don't appreciate it. It's in black and white.
The makeup.
You can tell how like that's something that they tried to do, but it doesn't really translate.
It's
like
thick,
how
intense makeup.
insane her.
Oh my gosh,
her makeup.
He's like digging in. What are we doing now?
Putting on some cheeks. Gotta get that sun-kissed look. Just came in out of the snow. Turn towards me.
Why are you doing the forehead? Are you making me pretty or scary?
No, pretty. Just a tint color pop. We're gonna put these on these lips.
The pressure.
So if you think I'm doing an amazing job, comment below. If not, just leave.
Create your lips. As he's doing mine, he's going.
Just Kardashian lips. Look like you paid for them.
These are my free lips. They came with it.
These came with the tax rebate.
I want to look in the mirror so bad.
Is there like a tissue we can use? I went outside the lines a little bit. I think I did a little too much with the pink. You look a little sunburned.
Was that really the only spot that you needed to touch up?
Yeah.
I felt it like all over here. Your mouth while you do this is everything.
Oh, I messed up. So this glitter stuff is okay to put on your cheeks?
Show him what you were just using. The glitter from the Tati palette. He just dug into it with a brush. Like, you're jamming the glitter into my pores with an eyeshadow brush.
Oh, is this not the brush? Am I supposed to use this guy?
No. It's not blended at this point?
It pops.
It pops?
It pops. Alright, now we gotta do the eyes.
He just changed positions. I'm scared. Going into a ColourPop Kathleen Lights palette.
So we use an emerald.
I'm seeing myself a little bit. I was not ready. I know I'm not supposed to give you tips, but try for like less and build it up. I know you're trying to start a revolution with your makeup technique, but...
Let me see the other side.
Is this the kind of look that you'd like to see me do more often?
No, I think that's good for the eyeballs. And then, yeah, this thing I think I need.
What is that thing?
It's this, whatever this thing is.
Wait, what are you doing? In the eyebrows?
I thought this was an eyebrow pin.
I don't understand. Your hand is all in the lipstick. You just broke it. He was bearing down with so much force, it broke off the tip of the liner and fell. We're trying to clean up the eyeliner that went on the floor. It's not going well.
So I just looked at my inspiration again. I've got some practice to do, so we're gonna have to do this like every day, I think, to really get it.
This isn't exactly what
it's
you're
a
going
start.
for?
It's a really, really good start. It's a like if you were to go out in the street, people would be like, but in like
a good way?
Like, nah, yeah, good-ish. I've got makeup on my pants. I'm glittery.
Oh no, you're covered.
Yeah.
It's our intermission where Grant has to take a full-on shower. Your pants are covered in glitter.
Decontamination shower. Yeah. Let's get back to work here.
Okay, be gentle.
Right. Yeah, be gentle. I got it this time. It's just not getting me that thick line I'm looking for.
Just don't bear down too hard. Do you need a liquid liner?
I didn't know that was a thing.
It's on the other side of that product you're using.
Oh, ladies! This is what I've been dreaming of. This is how we're gonna get our look. Who is she?
Like, just looking forward, looking at you right now, I can see my own eyeliner. That's not a good sign.
But this isn't like a everyday look. We're not doing it.
We were supposed to be doing like a pretty look.
Yeah, this is like, I'm ready for my premiere. Like, this is like a special event look.
Is it a like special effects look?
No. Oh, brow pencil. Okay, here we go.
Now you find the brow pencil.
Get these brows filled in, and then I think we're gonna be done. It looked like in the picture they had actually done the eyeliner and the eyebrows.
Keeps going as he looks in another direction.
No look. All right, so what else we got? I'm trying to think what else we need.
Look
here.
around at everything we've got.
Yeah,
just
what
try
is
to
this
figure
thing?
out.
Ooh, I don't think we need that. Whatever this was, we're past that stage. So we gotta kind of.
Do you love it?
I love the idea of it still.
I'm gonna have to wash all my brushes because they're all gonna have glitter on the lips.
Okay. I think my masterpiece is done.
Should I do a close-up on myself?
Yes, queen. Twinsies.
What?
Twinsies.
Okay.
Do you love it?
I don't Love it.
All right, well, let's break it down. So did I do the foundation right?
No.
Okay, and then
you're supposed to get the beauty blender wet first so it doesn't soak all the product up. And
but
you're not supposed to
like
put
spit?
No, with water. And you're not supposed to put a full pump and then just 1 inch full pump.
So room to improve there.
A little bit, yeah.
Thanks for the constructive criticism.
But you did get some good coverage where you're right, I don't really need concealer with the amount of foundation you used.
It's an all-in-one product.
I do look like I have kind of a weird sunburn.
Well,
the
that's
eyeliner
not my fault,
is
really.
the part we need to talk about.
The eyeliner went on thick. But I was trying to go for, you know, like the cat eye, like a very dramatic.
Except don't you see that this line at her bottom lash line is not like an inch below her eye?
Yeah, so it's a little bit below, just like a touch, like we're talking half an inch below only where it's supposed to be. But I was just like worried about poking your eye, so.
So you just decided to do it from a distance. Same.
Yeah, I mean, cause like when you're just kind of glancing in the dark.
In the dark? Where am I going that's so dark?
A movie theater, right? It's your big premiere night.
This is a movie look.
It's your big premiere night.
Movie makeup!
So how do you think I did about like the green though?
Well, you also decided to do the shadow a good distance away from the eye as well. We've got a really good buffer zone above the lash line before the shadow starts.
I'm seeing it in the picture and I'm like, man, I'm just charging up this bill in my head and it's like thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars for this work.
Oh my gosh. What inspired you to do Cleopatra?
This is the only makeup I could think of off the top of my head. That like when you were like, oh, you need to look up some makeup looks. And
so you didn't maybe think like, oh, I'll look on Instagram and like type in makeup.
No, I wanted something like very distinct.
Iconic.
And like, yeah, an icon, because you're an icon. So you deserve iconic makeup.
I actually think that I've done a Cleopatra Halloween video. It was a million years ago.
6 years ago.
6 years ago.
I have improved the look.
Really? I feel like the Hamburglar.
I don't
got
see
a
it.
mask on. You
I don't see it.
Well, we did it.
I mean, I think this is literally the first time I've ever put makeup on myself or you or anyone.
It's on everyone in the vicinity.
I've never done this before in my life. And so I think it's 110 out of like 50. Grading on a scale of experience, this is the best makeup that's ever been applied. If we're just being sort of humble and, you know, honest here, this is the best thing that's ever happened to you. She said that off camera earlier.
No. So I'm gonna have to wash my face.
So give me a dishonest review here. What do you think?
Yelp review, Grant's makeup studio.
Yeah.
You can do all like avant-garde looks.
I'm just gonna do like half black and half white. It's all gonna be like mime themed.
My makeup only. And then this. Where did the glitter come from? That was not in the inspiration photo.
I think you deserve glitter because you're a glitter gal.
That just came from you.
And so, I mean, there's like everything has so much glitter in it. I'm like, well, they probably didn't have glitter technology back in 1845 whenever that movie was shot. Perfection. So how do you think this went?
I think it went really well.
So when you went into this video, what did you think was gonna, like, how does this differ from what you were expecting the outcome to be?
I don't know. I really didn't know. I almost thought maybe you were gonna pick like an 80s look.
An 80s look?
Yeah. But then whenever you started to like put down the eyeliner like in an interesting placement,
Cat eye.
I was kind of thinking,
meow.
So I was kind of thinking that maybe you were doing like a Blade Runner thing or something.
Oh, like the band, yeah.
Yeah, I thought maybe you'd go Blade Runner with it.
I got pretty close.
You were right on the edge of Blade Runner.
So
that's kind of where I started to think you were going with it, but here we are. Thank you so much for doing my makeup today. I
hope you guys enjoyed.
You did a pretty good job.
I did.
I'm gonna wear this makeup for the rest of the day, just for you.
Rest of the week?
Rest of the day.
Whole weekend.
For the vlog.
We're gonna put a plastic bag over your head when you shower.
Perfect. The ideas he has are so good.
I'm the idea man around here. We need to do a boyfriend shaves my head next.
Are you gonna be my boyfriend again?
Upvote if you want a boyfriend shaves my head or husband shaves my head.
Oh, I showed him the
girl who shaved her head.
Yeah.
She just buzzed it. No, we need to shave.
No.
Bald baby. And we'll put some tan on there. Tan juice.
Help us.
This is clean.
One day home. This is what we're getting.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember, this is what you asked for.
If this doesn't get a like and a subscribe out of you, then you have no soul. So I'm sorry to be the one to break that bad news to you.
I look like a sad clown.
No, a happy clown. So happy.
All right, so if you are not actually subscribed and you're watching this video, thank you so much. Not all of my videos are like this, so come on back next week. I put up new vlogs and videos every week.
Twice a week. Every week.
Twice a week, every week. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. You are my people and I love you. And I love all of you that keep saying that you miss me saying that. So I'm trying not to forget to say it anymore.
But wait, there's more.
Also, if you're not following me on social media, it's LeighAnnSays everywhere. I love talking to you guys over there as well. So come say hey. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. He's a good sport. If nothing else, he's a good sport.
I'll do your makeup anytime.
Thank you.
Slide a $20 bill under the door.
To the door.
And I'll pop over and do it. Plus tip.
$20 makeup artist. This is what you get.
You got $20 worth here, don't you think? Easily.
We can't start a clip like this suddenly.